Good day. With the scorching heat that we experienced lately, households increasingly rely on cooling appliances just to stay comfortable. But are you aware of its environmental impacts and carbon footprints? Come and let us tell you about that.
First off is air conditioner.
Air conditioner is a significant consumer of energy. According to the International Energy Agency, it is up to 10% of global electricity demand and is 6% of energy-related carbon emissions. Now, in a household, an example is this inverter-type air conditioner, which has a power output of 1.2 kilowatts, and with the average carbon density in the Philippines, for every hour, this air conditioner emits up to 540 to 720 grams of carbon emissions. Next off is refrigerators. Refrigerators use a lot of electricity and have refrigerants like CFCs and HFCs, which are harmful to the ozone layer and have high global warming potential. This refrigerator has a power output of 160 watts, and with the average carbon density in the Philippines, for every hour, this refrigerator approximately emits 72 to 96 grams of carbon emissions. Next up is an electric fan. An electric fan, while typically less energy intensive than air conditioner, still uses electricity. This industrial electric fan has a power output of 60 watts, and with the average carbon density in the Philippines, for every hour, this electric fan approximately emits 31 to 42 grams of carbon emissions.
As more households use these appliances, the demand for electricity rises, which contributes to higher carbon emissions and accelerates climate change.
Now, to reduce carbon emissions, consider these approaches. Natural ventilation. When possible, use natural ventilation to reduce the need for air conditioning. Open windows to cool rooms without excessive energy use. Regular maintenance. Keep appliances well maintained for optimal efficiency. Clean filters and coils to ensure proper airflow and to reduce energy consumption.
Switch to renewable energy. Powering appliances with renewable energy like solar or wind can significantly reduce carbon emissions. Adopt smart technology. Smart thermostats, timers, and other automation tools can help manage energy use by controlling when appliances operate. Turn off when not in use. Unplug fans and other appliances when they are not needed. This reduces standby power use.
Your energy consumption is a blueprint for your carbon footprint. By choosing renewable energy and efficient practices, you can redraw it to create more sustainable planet.